Let's look at the causes of aortic stenosis. The most common cause is senile calcification. Senile refers to old, and calcification is calcium deposits on anything. So as we get older, calcium deposits begin to collect on our aortic valves, and this makes our aortic valves less flexible, and hence they can't open as well as they used to when we're younger. Okay. Other causes include congenital causes. Congenital causes include bicuspid aortic valve, where usually we have 3 valves in our aorta, but in this case of bicuspid valve, we only have 2 cuffs in our aorta. So you can imagine when we open the 3 cusp valve, you will open more than when you open with a 2 cusp valve. So this will cause stenosis. Another congenital cause is Williams syndrome. So something like Down syndrome, but it's different chromosome, different genes affected. Williams syndrome, the children born with this syndrome has distinct facial features, distinct personalities. They're more cheerful and they trust anybody. But and they also have some connective tissue problems, and this causes them to develop something known as supravalvular aortic stenosis when they enter adulthood. So let me just scroll down a little bit. Okay, so imagine this is your aortic valve coming out from your heart, right? And this is your aorta coming out from your heart. This is your aorta, aortic valves, and supravalvular means above the valves. So there's stenosis over here, there's narrowing over here in the people with Williams syndrome, and hence you can see why it causes stenosis. It prevents outflow of blood here. There's narrowing here. Right. Another cause is rheumatic heart disease. So in rheumatic heart disease, this happens, this is the same as rheumatic fever. So what happens is, first there's a strep throat infection, and causes fever and common flu symptoms. But what happens after you are infected with this strep infection, your body's immune system produces antibodies against this Streptococcus bacteria, and because the receptors on this Streptococcus bacteria mimics the receptors of the cells on our heart valves, this causes our own antibodies to attack and destroy our heart valves. And this causes the valves to grow vegetations, which makes it more susceptible to infective endocarditis, and also it causes the valves to stick to each other and prevent it from opening fully, and this causes the aortic stenosis.